founded in April 2009.
MPD set out to fix what others left behind. The industry was falling down. No parts, no help in every town. But MPD said we'll lead the way, bringing parts South Africa needs each day. MPD, part of your life. Affordable cars, but where's the support? MPD changed the whole spare part game. Chinese and Indian car brand parts demand we bring the right parts straight to your head. MPD from coast to coast. We're the name South Africa trusts the most. MPD, Jenny, Einstein, Mount Edgecombe, Strong, Maritzburg, Pearl, Cape Town, we roll on. Need spares for your HAVAL or Mahindra? We've got the parts, we're on your side. MPD, we keep you moving fast. Built on service, built to last. MPD, part of your life. CHERY, TATA, FOTON, CHANA, and many more. SUZUKI spares, we got those for you. We built a system that understands how to match the right part to your brand. No more guessing, no more stress. MPD brings you nothing but the best. Direct imports, our prices are fair and quality great. We've got the stock, we've got the care. Since 2009 we've stood our ground. Quality service, the best around. Parts that fit, service that's